In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to bot your TikTok likes or bot whatever video you want likes. So just go ahead and press play on this Python console. You enter the amount of likes. I'm just going to put 10. Then we're going to go find a video that we want, so I'll be back in a second. So I found this video right here. I'm just going to go ahead and get the URL. Go over to the bot. Paste in the URL. It might add a slash at the beginning. You're just going to hold backspace and then paste it in again. And then all you have to do is press enter. I accidentally added a backslash, but it doesn't matter. Okay. So it sent 10 likes. It might not send all of the likes. It might have sent like 5, 9. It depends. I think it might have sent them all because it didn't say failed to send on any of them. So if I go here and refresh, it should have a few more likes. Okay, I didn't see what it was at before, but I think it was at like 23 or something. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.